In this video, I'll explain how a mentor can seed various reports related to a cohort. Go to cohort, locate your cohort, click on the cohort. For better viewability, I'll see it in landscape mode. I'll go and locate particular test. So this is the test. I want to see the reports. Click on this report icon here. So now the reports that you will see is there are two types of reports: assessment performance report, assessment improvement report. In assessment performance report, which I am seeing right now, you get details such as how many mentees attempted out of 162, for example. Then how many are with good performance, how many are with average, below average, other data. Then these are the students who have done well with green color coding on the left side. As you go down, you will see one which have not done so well in yellow. As you keep going down, you will see the red ones which have done pretty badly, and very interestingly the one who have not attempted. So one quick glance and you will know who has not done the assessment. The other report is assessment improvement report. This report gives an idea to the mentor how she can help student improve in the areas where they could not succeed. So the report is generated like this. If you see, this is typical data. Then interestingly, it picks up the chapter name and within chapter the concept where most of the students are having difficulty with. So in chapter linear equation in one variable, this concept, solution of a linear equation and application of linear equation to practical problem, is the area where students are having maximum difficulty. So teacher can explain this in class more vividly. The other areas, then questions found tough to solve one by one with complete statistical data. And as you go down, you will see very interesting thing, that is suggested remedial question. So Dynamite's artificial intelligence had picked up some questions which the teacher can use in the classroom, and these questions will actually help clear the concepts far better than the normal exercises that one gives.